friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Seint beauty artist and a Hello Love fanatic. And I'm really excited today because I'm going to be showcasing the what week are we on? I don't even know. Week 5 of Hello Love's winter launch. So if you have no idea what Hello Love is, basically it is a luxury press-on nail company. Our nails are different than nails that you get in the store or possibly press-on nails that you've used in the past. So they are different from the press-on nails that you find in the store. What makes our nails unique is they are formulated or custom shaped to better fit your nails. That will help with pop-offs, that will help with longevity, but they also have color intentionality. So here is the nail manicure that I did from last week's launch, which was launch 3, 2 launches ago. This is Waltz Wonderland with Jolly Bag of Donuts. And you can see here, what a fabulous, really gorgeous manicure. I've gotten so many compliments on it. But this winter launch, I said this before, if you watched my fall launch, I was so excited about the fall launch. And then when they came out with the winter like colors and everything, I was like, okay, this is by far my favorite. So I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm going to do a very quick overview if you want to skip through this, if you already know about press-on nails, but I want to talk through first each of the different colors that are coming out. And then at the end, what I will do is I will go through what comes in a pack and all that stuff so that you can understand, you know, if it's the first time that you've ever purchased Hello Love, what's in it, what else you need, all that stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first one, I was like kind of going back and forth because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to showcase. There are 2 new nails, brand new nails that have never been seen before that are dropping this Thursday. I'm doing this earlier so that I can have it edited and up and ready to go on Thursday. But 2 nails, brand new nails that are dropping. And I was going back and forth which one I wanted to show first. They're both gorgeous. They're both completely different. I'm just going to go with it. So the first one that's going to be dropping is Green Means Go. And I will insert a video right here so that you can actually see it on somebody. But this color is everything. To me, when I saw this, yes, it is a green. Yes, it screams Christmas and it's very holiday. You can wear it with what I'm wearing it now. You can pair it with a gold. There are so many different varieties and mixed manis that you could do with this nail. But what I love about this is even though it's green, it doesn't scream Christmas. It's not so overly green. It's not that typical green that you see. I feel like this is something that can go well into next year. I feel like it's something that next fall, when fall hits, it's going to be a gorgeous color. I could even see you rocking this on a summer vacation. I just absolutely love it. It's a matte, but it's got almost this, I don't know if cat eye is not the right word, but it is a very dimensional matte. It is not a normal flat matte. It definitely has dimension in it, and you can kind of see a little bit of that like shifting, almost like a mood ring kind of thing. It is gorgeous. It is a green jade color. Emerald green is probably the best word to describe it. It is just phenomenal. Even though it is matte, to me, yes, it has a matte top coat. I would call it more velvet. When you feel it on your nail, it's kind of got this soft, like this softness to it. It's gorgeous, glorious. You can wear it on your own, or like I said, you can mix it with so many different variations. And if you're looking for a Christmas manicure that doesn't scream Christmas, this is a perfect color for you. The next one that's launching is called Flash Freeze. And again, completely different. I mean, they are so different on the spectrum. They're nothing alike. But that's what makes it amazing. I mean, heck, if you were going crazy, you could even mix those 2. They would still look fabulous. But to me, this is a nail that is, yes, it's very Christmassy. It reminds me of like Sugar Plum Fairies. It reminds me of like, if you go to Hobby Lobby and you go down some of the aisles and they kind of put it in different themes, it's the candy kind of theme or whatever. Like that's what it screams to me, is that candy kind of look for Christmas. But to me, this is still a mani that can be used all year round because you've got those chunks of glitter. It's a white nail with like chunks of iridescent green and yellow and pink. It is just such a unique nail and it's absolutely gorgeous. To me, I can't think of a nail that you would mix this with. I feel like you could, I mean, it's white, so it would mix with a whole bunch of variations. I'm not good at that. That's why I love Hello Love, because they come up with variations that you can do. This one I think is easy because I'm like, that right there with this gold and this green, those are like, that's pretty much what I'm doing my bedroom color, is this emerald gold or emerald and gold is what I'm doing my master bedroom in, but that's a side point. But this one right here, Flash Freeze, it's gorgeous. It's glorious. It's one of those things, like, I don't necessarily like white nails. I don't feel like they look good on my skin tone. It's really hard to come off because I'm so fair. But this one, when I wore it, I was like, okay, it will look fabulous on everybody. It's just a very unique nail. It's got the iridescent, very chunky glitter. It's very much like this one right here, which is Joey Bag of Donuts. It is smooth, so you're not going to get any of the chunkiness. It's not going to get caught in your hair, anything like that. It's going to be very comfortable to wear, but this one is gorgeous. The other thing that's coming in the bundle that is going to be this Thursday, it's only going to be available Thursday and Friday, and I'll put it down below. You get these 2 nails plus Cotton Heady what? I was practicing because I know it's from the Elf, and I love, like, that's one of my favorite Christmas movies. But Cotton Heady Ninnymuggins, this is going to be a bundle. So the whole purpose of the bundle is you get all the nails, but you get them for a discounted price. So again, I'll have the link below. I'll have all the details below, but you get this. This is a nail. Me personally, I don't, like, you can mix it with these two. I personally wouldn't. I don't prefer that. But one nail that is perfect for this one is one of our accent packs, which is Santa. I know him, obviously elf theme, but this is an accent pack. It retails for $10. The whole purpose of the accent packs, it's not a full set. So it's only really supposed to fit these 3 nails, but it matches perfectly with Cotton Heady Ninnymuggins. You can also match it with It's Bloody Hot, which is matches perfectly with Santa's hat right here. But this is like a true, if you're looking for a true Christmas manicure that just screams Christmas, this is an awesome pack. In the bundle, you only get this, but you can always add this on top of it and get a really cute manicure. So that is that. What else do I want to say? Oh, so those are the 2 nails that are launching, and this is the bundle for this week. Let me go real quick. If you've never tried Hello Love, if you have no idea, if you've just come across this video, I want to show you what is going to be in a full pack. So the full pack, it comes with 24 different nails. They are going to fit every single one of your fingers. And in there, some of the things that makes or stands out or helps Hello Love stand out, what's different about this than some of the other brands that you may have tried in the past, is when you get your nails, they're going to be in these little bins right here. They're not going to be in a whole bucket thing or whatever where you have to go through and try to figure it out. It's all going to be right here. It's also, and of course, I don't have my card. Oh, here it is. With each of your purchase, you're going to have a card. So the card right here is going to show you exactly what the numbers are for each of the different nails. It is on the nails, but I'll be honest with you, get close to 40, I can't see them. So I like to use the card because it tells you exactly what it is. Why this is different is, number one, you don't have to go through and like try to scrummage through a bin or all these nails all kind of mixed up together. It's boom right here. The other benefit to it is you keep your card, and whatever your number is, you can write it on this little card so you remember it next time, and it just makes it easier next time to do your nails because each of the different nails are the same sizes. So if this one right here fits my thumb, it fits my thumb in every single pack. So I know, and once you start doing it, you just kind of memorize where it's at here, but you can always take the number, write it down on here, and then that way when you go to do a new mani, you know exactly what your numbers are. You don't have to sit there and try to fit it again and all that stuff. So has that. The card also has instructions on how to put them on. It has instructions on how to put them off. So this will come with every single one of your orders. And then you'll, like I said, get 24 nails. They fit a variety of different nail beds. They fit very narrow nails, very wide nails. There's something in here for everybody. So you have 2 layers there. The bottom layer is going to be your nail file. So this is going to have this little buffer thing. The pink side is going to be to gently buff your nails in order to create that bond to help with the glue. The blue side is going to help file the actual press-on nails. So once you glue them on, you can trim them or you can file them down or shape them however you want. It also comes with a little bit of glue, and then it comes with an orange stick. So this is everything that you need to do a manicure. The only thing that I recommend in addition to the full pack is our nail dehydrator. It retails for $10. The bottle will last you forever. And basically what it does, if you've ever gotten your nails done at a nail salon, you know that they use a nail dehydrator. If you're getting gel nails, if you're getting dip nails, if you're getting acrylics, they will put a nail dehydrator on your nails. That will help soak up any water and really help to make the glue bond really, really well. So that is the only thing in addition to a full pack that I recommend just to help with that longevity. When it goes to our accent packs, like I mentioned before, our accents are not full sets. So they are only supposed to fit like these 3 nails. So you will have to buy an accent pack and mix it with another one. But you can see here you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 10 different nails and they're all different. And the accent packs really help to create a mix mani. So if you're somebody like me that's really not good at mixing things, you can always get a accent pack. And we'll always have suggestions. Like if you go on the website right now and you see this, it's going to recommend that you buy It's Bloody Hot, which is, like I said, that red that's going to match perfectly. Or again, you can do Cotton Heady Ninnymuggins. But it's going to recommend or show you what it matches with so that you can make that decision. I am also here to help as well. So if you're like, hey, I'm not really into the red, is there something else? Or if you see another accent pack and you're like, hey, can you let me know what colors might work with that? I can always be here to help you. So that's the difference between our full sets and our accent packs. So if you're new to Hella Love, hopefully that helps. So this is, like I said, week 5 launch. Absolutely love it. So very, very excited. I'm going to leave my website down below. I'll leave all the colors that I mentioned in the video down below in case you want to click directly on the link to be taken to it. If you have any questions, if you need suggestions, if you're not sure where to start, hit me up, email me, DM me on Instagram are the 2 easiest ways to get a hold of me or the quickest ways to get a hold of me. But let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.